International recording artist Jahmiel is in Malawi, and I can tell you that the fans are having a wonderful time. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. So, international recording artist Jahmiel is in Malawi, Southern Africa for some shows over there, and I can tell you that he's having a wonderful time. As most of you might have known, Jahmiel took a break from the music scene for some time after it was revealed that he was fighting a spiritual warfare. However, he's back, and I can tell you that he's delivering some wonderful songs plus some wonderful performances. Let's go over to what he had to offer in Malawi to the fans over that side.
Anthem of number one, Jahmiel presenting. No, no. You play that Jahmiel. Malawi! Jahmiel, just greet the people, greet the people. Pass greetings to the people.
Greetings, Malawi. First thing first, I know this is everybody. We're trying to read it. No, I don't wanna lose. Ooh, oh, oh. No, 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 the story of oh mama, I was on a China, still take China. I don't travel, no matter the.
Well, there you have it. That was just some short clips of Jahmiel recording international superstar out of Jamaica in Malawi, giving some wonderful performances there. And I can tell you that the fans are just loving this spectacular moment as he delivered catalogs of hits from his musical archive. I can tell you that the fans over there right now is just a joy in their heart to have Jahmiel in Malawi, Southern Africa. It's a wonderful look, not only for Jahmiel but also for the music. This is where we're going to leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day.